A doggy day camp was held recently in a bid to make pet owners aware of their responsibilities to the animals they care for. Here's Christine Zulueta with this report.
Pets have become part of most households these days, and since then, a growing number of Filipinos are also finding joy in adopting a pet or two. Dogs, being known for their undisputed loyalty, have become the top choice for most people wanting a pet. However, not all dog owners recognize the proper manner of treating their furry family member. With that, National Geographic Channel, together with Pedigree and with the special participation of the Philippine Animal Welfare Society or PAWS, launched the Doggy Day Camp event at Bonifacio High Street Amphitheater. It was a day packed with fun and surprises for the dogs and their owners alike. While the dogs get to enjoy all the exciting treats, the dog owners get to learn from the responsible pet ownership talk.
The importance of events like this is to bring awareness to all pet owners that we have to be responsible with our pets, not just by providing the basic care, but also socialization, making sure that the dogs have exercise, and that they live healthy and happy lives. A pet is a lifetime commitment. Yun na lagi natin sinasabi. Pag nagkaroon ka ng alaga, the same way na nagkaroon ka ng anak or ng pamilya, habang buhay yan. So you have to provide for them.
As expected, people along with their dogs patiently lined up during registration. Pretty much a well-attended event where almost all breeds of dogs can be seen. Some were even dressed in different set of clothes, while others are too lazy to walk. They needed to come in stroller. The exciting treats include free of charge grooming for dogs, photo shoots, and other fun-filled activities for that quality time spent during the whole event.
I think nagkaroon ng greater awareness about being compassionate towards animals. Studies show na if you have pets, you live longer and you live healthier kasi meron kang unconditional love sa bahay. So likewise, kailangan natin suplian ng unconditional love yung mga alaga natin.
Here's also a call from PAWS as advocate of animal rights.
Hindi ka naman kailangan mag-own ng pet to be a pet lover. All you have to do is respect life.
And for those who want to own a pet, visit the PAWS Animal Rehabilitation Center or Park, located at Aurora Boulevard, Katipunan Valley, Loyola Heights, Quezon City, which serves as a temporary shelter for dogs, cats, and other animals rescued from cruelty or neglect. You may also visit www.paws.org.ph for more information. For the People's Television, Zulueta.